The LiTime 14.6V 40 Ampere Lithium Battery Charger is engineered to efficiently charge 12.8-volt lithium iron phosphate batteries, making it an excellent choice for rapid power restoration. With its impressive 40 ampere current, this charger can fully energize a 200 ampere-hour battery in approximately 5 hours, demonstrating its fast charging capabilities. The built-in lithium battery activation function is a standout feature, allowing users to revive batteries with low voltage or those that have activated BMS protection. An LED indicator provides real-time updates on the charger's status, ensuring users are always informed about the charging process and any potential abnormalities. Safety is a top priority with this charger, as it includes multiple protection mechanisms such as over-temperature and short-circuit protection, along with a built-in fan to prevent overheating. The device automatically transitions between 3 charging modes, ensuring a stable and secure charging process.